Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how Koho makes money if there are no monthly fees. Koho is a financial technology company, not a bank. It offers a free spending account and prepaid MasterCard. While its most basic account has no monthly fee, it generates revenue through several other channels. The primary way Koho makes money is through interchange fees. Every time a user makes a purchase with their Koho card, the merchant pays a small fee to the card network and the issuing financial institution. Koho gets a portion of this fee. Since their business model is built on high transaction volume, these small fees add up. Another significant source of revenue comes from its premium subscription plans. Koho offers paid tiers, such as the Extra and Everything plans, which come with a monthly or annual fee. These plans provide users with enhanced benefits like higher cashback rates, no foreign transaction fees, and higher interest on their savings. Koho also earns money through its lending products, like the Credit Builder program and instant cash advances. Users pay a fee or interest for these services, which helps Koho generate revenue while providing valuable tools to its customers. Additionally, Koho may earn referral fees from partner merchants when users shop through their app. Finally, Koho earns interest on the money deposited in its user accounts. They partner with federally regulated financial institutions where user funds are held. The company earns a margin on the interest generated from these deposits. So, while the basic Koho account is free for users, the company has a diverse business model that allows it to generate income through interchange fees, premium subscriptions, lending products, and interest earned on user deposits. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.